Hi. So today we're going to see how you can track your sales receipts in a Notion database. So first of all, if you see the database at the bottom, we have the receipt number, the date, the payer name, the payer email, amount, and all the fields that you would typically have in a sales receipt database. And on the top, we have created different views like the monthly receipts, which shows the receipts generated for each of the month. And then we have the sales receipts by like the different types of receipts that we are getting. So bank transfer, credit card, or PayPal, whatever we have, it is showing over here. Then we have products and services, which shows different plans as per which we are generating the receipts. So if you see, we have this payment method column, and we have this service or product column, which shows what kind of service or product we are offering, and it is showing those against here. And the received by column, which shows like who is receiving the sales receipts in your business. So we have defined the name of the person over here, like received by, and it is showing the same value over here. So these are typical views that I've created using filters. You can also define your own views and add more customization to this. But this is a sample template which will help you keep track of all the sales receipts document that you're generating in a business. Besides this, I also want to highlight that if you're looking to generate PDF documents in bulk, so let's say you're looking to generate sales receipts PDF documents in bulk, you can go to pdfoutput.com. We have all the templates added over there and proper explanation of how you can generate the documents. It works both with Notion database as well as a Google Sheet. So you just need one database and then you can generate documents in bulk in one click. So make sure you check out pdfoutput.com where you can generate the documents in bulk for a use case. And if you have any queries other than this, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll help you fix your issues. Thank you. Have a great day.